Today I want to drill a series of 9 holes in a steel plate. It's actually the side plates for a model traction engine, the horn plates, and I've got about 4 to make actually, so I'm going to set up an array on the DRO so I can repeat all 4 plates with 9 holes identical. I'm in inch mode because the thing is measured in inches, and I'm in absolute mode. You can see absolute mode set there. So first of all I'm going to put it into the array mode, so I use the arrow keys until I find the symbol I want, which is now on F1, so I press F1. I've got 4 settings I can hold. I'm going to use number 1. I'm going down to name, press F6, which is the input button. The keypad appears and I'm just going to scroll across to P, press F6 to input it, down to L, input it, and I'll just call it plate. Okay, and once I've done that I press enter. It saved that name. I want to work in the XY plane. I'm not working in the Z direction in this case, so I'm leaving it on plane XY. And then I'm going to go down to mode A, length, and it's the length of the line that the holes are on in the horizontal direction. So in this case I've got, in length A, I've got 3 holes and they're actually on 3/4 spacing, so the length of the holes will be 1.5. So I do that and I press enter. Number of holes is 3 and I press enter. Mode B, so there's the 3 holes appeared up on the display. Mode B is again in length. In this case I'm going vertical, which again this time is 7/8 spacing, so I now need to enter the height of them, so that's 2 times 7/8. So the length in this case will be 1 3/4, so I'll put in 1.75, enter that, and there is 3 holes, so I press 3 and enter, and there we are. I've got the holes, the array drawn out for me. So that's it. So again, like I used with the PCD, I can now just enter. Right, so I'm going to recall the array. So I press F1. There it is. I called it plate. It's all set up. I'm just going to press enter. I've got it lined up on the first hole. So I'm on 0, 0, and you can see the crosshairs on the first hole. So I drill that hole, press the right hand arrow key, and I can move to the next hole. It lights up white. Using the slides I can then move the crosshair until it's into the centre of that hole. Confirm it with the DRO, so it's 0, 0, 0. Okay, near enough for what I'm doing. Drill that hole, press the right hand key again. I can then continue to move the cross in X until I get to 0, 0, 0 again. Okay, I'm going to drill that hole. This time I'm going upwards to that hole. There we go. I can skip out though, so in fact I can skip to that one now if I wanted to and drill that one. So in this case there we go, we're on 0 there. Drill that hole. I'm going to move to the next one. I'm going to go around because I want to go to that one. Saves having to move the slides too much. There we go. 0, 0, 0 again. And I can drill that hole. So I've set it up. I can drill an array of 9 holes. I can repeat it time and time again. So that's going to make life easy for me. Thanks for watching.